Welcome to the video. In this video, we are going to learn about the effects of Saturn Dasha, Ketu Antardasha. Then, we will learn about the remedy for Saturn Dasha, Ketu Antardasha as instructed by sage Parashara Maharishi. For this, we will be quoting from the book Brihat Parashara Hora Shastra, which was written by sage Parashara Maharishi himself. Then, I will also quote from the book Pulipani Jyotidam, which was written by sage Pulipani. So, please watch the full video. If you are not subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button below and also the notification bell button. If you don't know the basics of Vedic astrology and if you want to learn the basics first, please go to the link below in the description and watch the 2-part video. Learn Vedic astrology in one day and also the Vimshottari Dasha videos. You can also visit the link above. Usually, the planetary period for Saturn is for 19 years. This is common for everyone. During those 19 years of planetary period of Saturn, planet Saturn plays a very big role in shaping our lives. During those 19 years of Saturn's planetary period, other planets also play a minor role, especially during their own subperiods. Those subperiods are known as Antardashas. The overall individual effects of Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha will differ from one person to another. The individual effects of Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha will depend on overall planetary placements in the birth chart. If you want to predict the effects of Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha in an individual birth chart, then you should analyze the lordships and positions of Saturn and Ketu in main birth chart as well as all divisional charts. However, some effects of Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha will be common for everyone. In ancient times, many sages have written about the general effects of dashas and antardashas. Among them, sage Pulipani has written about the general effects of all dashas and antardashas. In his book Pulipani Jyotidam, he has written about the general effects of Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha. Now, let's take a look at it. ஆம் என்ற காரிதிசை கேது புத்தி அருளில்லா மாதமது 13 போமென்ற நாளதுவும் 9 புகழில்லா அதன் பலனை புகழக் கேளு தாமென்ற தலைவலியும் கண்ரோகமாகும் தப்பாது பாண்டுடன் தனம் பொருளும் சேதம் நாமென்ற சத்ருவால் முத்தண்டம் உண்டாம் நன்மையுள்ள மாதரால் கர்ப்பமது பாழாம். Sage Pulipani says that the duration of Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha is for 13 months and 9 days. In other words, the total duration is 1 year, 1 month and 9 days. According to sage Pulipani, a person may suffer headache, eye diseases and jaundice during that period. There will be increase in the size of the belly. During this period, the person may encounter big losses in property and big financial losses. During this period, the enemies can cause damage in 3 different ways. The damages inflicted by the enemies can be physical, mental or financial. There can be miscarriages or abortions during this period. The health of the spouse can be adversely affected. Now, let's learn about what sage Parashara explains about Saturn Dasha and Ketu Antardasha. Before that, I have a small request. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell button. You can learn astrology and remedies by subscribing. Now let's look at what sage Parashara says about Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha in his book called Brihad Parashara Hora Shastra. Now let's look at 16th, 17th and 18th shlokas from the 57th chapter of Brihad Parashara Hora Shastra.
मंदस्यांतर्ते केतो शुभदृष्टियुतेक्षिते स्वोचे वा शुभराशिस्थे योगकारक संयुते केंद्र कोण गते वापि स्थान भ्रंशो महद्भयम् दरिद्र बंधन भीति पुत्र दारादिनाशनम् स्वप्रभोश्च महाकष्टम् विदेश गमनम् तथा लग्नादिपेन संयुक्ते आदौ सौख्यम् धनागमः.
According to sage Parashara, Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha will give very bad effects even if Ketu is in a very good position. Here, sage Parashara says that there will be danger, diseases, poverty, loss of position, foreign travel, etc. even if Ketu is in exaltation or in own sign or in a benefic sign or in Kendra or Trikona or in association with a benefic or aspected by a benefic. However, if Ketu is related to the ascendant lord, then there will be a minor gain in wealth. And bathing in holy water and visit to sacred shrines will happen during the commencement of the Ketu Antardasha. Now let's look at 19th and 20th shlokas from the 57th chapter of Brihad Parashara Hora Shastra.
गंगादि सर्वतीर्थेषु स्नानं देवता दर्शनम् दायशाक्येन्द्र कोणे वा तृतीय भवः राशिगे समर्थो धर्मबुद्धिश्च सौख्यं नृपः समागमः तथाष्टमे व्यये केतो दायशाद्वा तथैव च अपः मृत्युभयं चैव कुत्सितान्नस्य भोजनम् शीतज्वरतिसारश्च व्रणः चौरादिपीडनम्.
According to sage Parashara Maharshi, if Ketu is in 3rd house or 11th house or in Kendra or in Trikona from Saturn, then Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha can bring an increase in both physical and mental strength and also in religious thoughts. He also adds that such a placement can bring all kinds of enjoyment during Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha. Sage Parashara Maharshi also says that such a placement can bring audience with the king. In this line, when Sage Parashara Maharshi mentions king, he means that there will be a meeting with a high dignitary in the government, someone like a prime minister, chief minister, governor or a minister. In 20th and 21st shloka, Sage Parashara Maharshi says that if Ketu is in 8th house or in 12th house from Saturn, then Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha can bring fear of premature death and danger from thieves. That placement can make a person suffer from fever, cold, dysentery and separation from wife and children during the Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha. Now, let's look at the 22nd and 23rd shlokas from the 57th chapter.
दारा पुत्र वियोक्षत संसारे भवति ध्रुवम् द्वितीय द्युन राशिस्थे देहा पीडा भविष्यति छागा दानं प्रकुर्वीत ह्यपमृत्यु निवारणम् केतु ग्रह प्रसादेन सुख शांतिं वाप्नुयात्.
Sage Parashara Maharshi also adds that if Ketu is in 2nd house or in 7th house from ascendant, then there will be extreme physical distress. In the 44th chapter of Brihad Parashara Hora Shastra, Sage Parashara Maharshi has already mentioned that 2nd house and 7th house are the Maraka houses, also called the death-inflicting houses. He had already mentioned specifically that any malefic planet in 2nd house and 7th house can bring death. In the 23rd shloka, Sage Parashara Maharshi talks about the remedy for Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha. Here, Sage Parashara Maharshi says that a person can avoid all the evil effects of Saturn Dasha Ketu Antardasha and also experience all enjoyments by gaining the goodwill of Ketu. This can be done by donating a goat in charity. If you have any doubts or feedback, please comment below in the comment section. If you like this video, please press the like button. Please like and share this video. It will be very encouraging for me. If you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel by pressing the subscribe button below and also the notification bell button. Only when you press the notification bell button, you will be able to receive the notifications about my future videos.